It started. How's everyone's week so far though? I know it gets a bit, I know Monday gets a bit scary sometimes. I know Monday gets a little bit scary, but you know, start of the month, let's hope that we can start off strong, and let's see what we can do. It's the last month of the year, chat. Last month of the year. If you guys, you know, last leg, let's finish it strong, and let's hope that we actually get some good trades out of today as well. I hope we get some good trades. But let's have a look. Let's have a look and see. So, by the way, Twitch, if you guys are on this stream right now, I'm looking for a trade straight away. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm looking for a trade straight away because we just got a liquidity sweep. London session did a really nice liquidity sweep. So I'm ready to start placing trades. So I'm looking to trade either London lows or Asian lows, but I'm not gonna go for Asian lows because we're on an uptrend. So the way we're gonna sell, even though, so this is what it is, right? Is we're gonna be selling. However, my Wi-Fi is lagging. Am I muted? Chat, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? You can't hear me? Try a hop on Twitch, guys. I don't know. Maybe TikTok's got like a little, I don't know what's going on TikTok. Let's see. Why can't you guys hear me? On my thing, it says that you can hear me. Oh, it's cutting in and out. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what we can do for that. I would say the best thing is try and hop on Twitch, chat. Try and hop on Twitch. Literally just click the link in the bio. Might have to just be a Twitch thing. I'm not too sure how I can sort this out. On my thing it says we're good. That's kind of weird. Yeah, my stream looks all good. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it looks all good on my end, chat. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I don't know what to say, chat. I would say best case scenario, best case scenario, sorry, is hop on Twitch. Hop on Twitch, and I think Twitch, is the stream all good? Put one in the chat if the stream is all good on Twitch. My mic's laggy. The stream is all good here. Okay, cool. As long as Twitch is fine, then I think we should be good. Because on Twitch, you can actually see my screen. So as long as Twitch is cool. By the way, TikTok, if you're on this stream and you genuinely want to see me trade, because we're about to look for trades right now, just hop on Twitch. Because I'm hearing Twitch is a bit more smoother. I genuinely don't know what to say about TikTok right now. I'm not too sure. I don't know if it's because I've got both the streams running at the same time. I'm not too sure. But yeah, hop on Twitch, chat. And I'm looking at the chat on Twitch anyways, so that should be calm. Yeah, everything looks fine on my end. I'm not too sure. I genuinely don't know. But anyways, let's get right into it because I'm actually genuinely trying to look at trades. So we just got a liquidity sweep right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm looking for buys on. Have you seen crypto is looking bad? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, crypto is looking bad. I'm not even trying to look at that right now. Right now, I'm genuinely locked in with gold right now. I'm trying to see if we can get. So right now with gold, I was gonna look for a trade. Unfortunately, so we had this breaker structure. So right now we've got the liquidity sweep on the higher time frame. Right here. we just disrespected this fair value gap, which is kind of annoying. So most likely, I would say we're just gonna have to wait for this break structure right here. Just gonna have to wait for the market to just go down a little. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what to do there. But yeah, I've been looking at crypto. Crypto has gone down a lot. I know crypto was on like 90,000 last week, and now it's on 85, which is crazy. But I mean, GG's for gold right now. I would say, sorry, for Bitcoin right now. I think everyone that's buying right now is good, but I'm gonna be real, like GG's, man. GG's on crypto right now. I genuinely don't know what the hell is going on in crypto. If I knew, then it would be calm, but I genuinely don't know. So this is what I'm looking at right now, chat. I'm waiting for this breaker structure right here. Once we get this breaker structure on gold, then we're gonna look for some fair value gaps, and we're just gonna literally enter the markets. I think today we actually might have a chance to actually place a trade. We actually may have a chance to place a trade, which is gonna be lit. Oh, what happened here? Minimize. Nope. Sorry, chat. Just give me 1 second. I don't know what just happened here. There we go. There we go. Back. We're back. We're back. Sorry, I just accidentally deleted the tab. So yeah, let's see. Is TikTok still bad? I might have to just end the live stream on TikTok and restart it. If TikTok is still bad. I'm not too sure. We'll see. We'll see. I'm still getting messages saying the mic's laggy and stuff, so I'm not too sure. As long as Twitch is calm, I don't really mind. But we'll see. We'll see. I made my mom buy 1K of Solana. I think I'm cooked. Yeah, I can't lie, bro. It's gonna be kind of techie. Right now, like, you need capital right now for crypto. You definitely need some capital. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Let's end this live. Let's end this live right here. Sorry, we're getting a bit of technical difficulties, and I will just literally go live on my phone. I'll literally go live on my phone right now. Give me 1 second, chat. Give me 1 second. We're waiting for the breaker structure anyways. Hopefully crypto does go up though. I have a good feeling for crypto. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do have a good feeling for crypto. I just feel like with crypto, literally you literally just need some time. I feel like with crypto, it's literally just time. There we go. Hopefully TikTok's calm now. Hopefully TikTok's calm. But let's see. Let's see how TikTok is. Oh yeah, just buy low and sell high with crypto. Nah, literally. That's just how it's gonna be. I'm not gonna lie to you, like with crypto right now, like I wouldn't even sell right now. I feel like right now for crypto is definitely a thing where the market genuinely is just going down. Like you can't even, like, I just feel like it's just this is what I'm thinking, right? It's the end of the year. Of course the market's gonna go down. But I genuinely believe that give it maybe till like March times, bro, we're gonna be hitting all-time highs again. I genuinely believe that. I thought March times, we're gonna be all-time highs. And everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, like why did I sell my crypto? And it's just gonna go crazy mode. And then everyone's gonna try and buy crypto. Let's see now what's going on with gold. I'm so happy that gold's actually finally given us a liquidity sweep. All we're now looking for is a breaker structure on the on the lower time frame. You took my training view colors. Bro, I've had this for a minute, bro. I've had these colors in for a minute. Have you never seen my streams? Yeah, 100% agree. Just be patient. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. Definitely just patience. Definitely patience. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like with good patience and a lot of capital. Now, it's mad. Why did I just notice this now? I've had the same colors. Yeah, bro. I've had these colors for like I think a year now. If you go on my YouTube, you'll see I've had these colors for a minute. I used to have it all black, and then I just changed it back to blue and black. Are you planning on shorting gold today? Yes, I am. I am planning to short on gold. I feel like we're gonna have a nice little retracement on gold today, which I want to be part of. Even though it's not like an A+ setup, I definitely because we swept London Asian highs, so we have to go down and reach a low. As long right now though, the market's really giving us a big push to the upside, which is kind of techie for us. But I mean, I don't think that's a good idea to be honest. I mean, let's see, bro. Let's see. We still haven't had a bearish break structure yet, so that liquidity sweep. I mean, we did have a bearish break structure, but we've just we just basically inverse that fair value gap. So I'm just waiting right now. But I'm not gonna go. I'm not going for crazy shorts. I'm not going for like shorts all the way down to like these lows. I'm literally just. I might just short to London lows and just call it a day today. I don't think I'm gonna go like crazy mode on gold. I feel like it would just be a quick trade. Maybe like a 15 to half an hour trade. I think that should be good. By the way, TikTok, hop on my live stream on Twitch. What's the fastest way to learn how to trade? Definitely don't binge watch trading. If I had to start trading again and I had to learn like from scratch and I had to do it in like 30 days, I would say go for watch like find one trader, focus on that one trader, learn his system, and then ignore him for the rest of your life. Like, literally, do not follow his rules ever again. And then use that system, back test it, see if it works. If it works for you, don't ever change that system. Live trade, go on prop firm challenges. Once you're good, once you know you're profitable, and then after that, start getting payouts. Literally, I think you could do that in 30 days. I think 1 week actually understanding market the trading on YouTube or hopping on live streams like my one, and then week 2 practice and train and backtest as much as you can. Then week 3 on um what's it called, on prop firms and live accounts, whatever you want to do. And then week 4 and 5 try and get payouts. Literally pass the prop firm and try and get payouts. Are you trading forex or futures? I'm trading forex. I am trading forex right now. But I'm trading gold. If you guys want to see me trade gold right now, we're literally actively looking for trades. Hop on Twitch. Literally hop on Twitch. If gold starts to push up and takes out all this liquidity, it's going to be very interesting. Definitely is going to be very, very interesting. Let's see though. The market just opened, so we still got a lot of time. Do we have any red folders for today? Let me check. I swear we do have. So we do have something. I don't know if we got a red folder for gold, but we do have something. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So yeah, we got PMI news at 3. So hopefully we can get a trade in before 3. I do want to get a trade in before 3. Let's hope that we can get a trade in before 3. So by the way, chat, we have red folders at 3, but hopefully that's when I tend to leave the markets by 3 anyway. So hopefully we can get a trade just before that and call it a day. Let's see though. Let's see. By the way, TikTok, let's spam the likes as well. Let's spam the likes on TikTok. Let's spam the likes. I don't know if you can spam likes on Twitch. That would be kind of cool though. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can spam likes on Twitch. But if you're new to Twitch, please give me a follow, chat. We're literally on like on my screen here. It says 89 followers. I don't know why my stream hasn't updated yet. We're on 89 followers, chat. If we can get to 100 followers by the end of this week, I'll do a giveaway. I'll literally do a giveaway. I'll do a giveaway on Twitch. That'll be lit. We have done a giveaway in my community. We did a giveaway on TikTok. I think it's only right we do a giveaway on Twitch as well. I think it's only right to get it what's it called, a giveaway on Twitch. If you guys want to be part of that giveaway, start following me, chat. Start following me. By the way, chat, if you use my code on Alpha Capital, we're still running that 30% off right now. We're still running that. Okay, we're starting to come down. Clean. Can we just disrespect this fair value gap, please? Can we disrespect this fair value gap? And then we should be clean for a move. Let's see. I'm not liking how New York Open started very, very strong. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, what the hell? Let's see what happens. Do you see gold going to all-time highs or retrace back down? I do see gold like definitely trying to go back to all-time highs. I think we are very close. I mean, no, we're not that close actually. We're like 100 pips away. I think, well, more than 100 pips, like 100, yeah, 100 pips actually. Yeah. I think, you know what it is? I think with gold, I think we're gonna do a little retrace. If we go on the daily time frame real quick, I think with gold, this is what's techie. I think with gold, we're on a retracement. That's what I believe. And I feel like right now, this is just a pullback for the retracement to go down a little. Or what I don't think, because you know what it is with gold, we'll hit all-time highs. And we've done it before. We hit all-time highs, and then we're just consolidating. Hit all-time highs, and then consolidating. Hit all-time highs, and then consolidating. So it's like, it's a good trend to see. Like, all-time highs, a little bit of a downtrend, goes back up, hits the same price, and then goes down again. Like, gold loves to do that. So I wouldn't be surprised to see gold do the exact same thing, where it hits all-time highs, and then it consolidates for a bit, and then we see a big push. And I'm expecting consolidation until like January, February. So that's why I'm bearish right now on gold. That's exactly why I'm bearish right now. Yes, guys. Yes. Twitch, I'm loving the fact that we're getting more viewers in. Chat, if you haven't followed me already, drop me a follow right now. You'll see your name pop up on the screen, by the way. We added like a little animation. I don't know if you guys even noticed. We actually have a little animation for people that follow. So if you want to see it, give me a follow. We're on road to 100 followers. Let's get it. I think we definitely will hit 100 followers by the end of this week. But it's all down to you lot, chat. It's all down to you lot. It's all down to you lot. I hope TikTok's all better now. I think it's a little bit better now with regards to the stream. Let's see. There we go. I appreciate the follow. Yassine, I appreciate the follow. See? Look at that. See? You get a little animation. I'm not like the best at adding animations to Twitch, but that's the best I can do, chat. That's the best I can do. I appreciate the follow. We've just hit 90 followers. I appreciate it a lot. Let's get to 100, chat. Let's get to 100. I genuinely believe we can get to 100 by the end of this week. I genuinely believe it. I appreciate the likes, bro. I appreciate the likes. Keep liking the stream. I appreciate it. Let's see what's going on that lower time frame. Okay, so we're actually getting bullish order flow out of this fair value gap, which is not ideal for us. But let's just see. If it keeps respecting and it goes bullish, then yeah, there's no trades for me. There's literally no opportunities for me. Damn, Wealthy Larry, bro. I appreciate the likes. Keep spamming the likes, bro. I appreciate the likes. That's amazing. Let's see. Let's see. I just followed you. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, I just got it. I just got it. I don't know why the stream said my Twitch says 90 followers. I don't know why it hasn't updated on the stream. I think it's just glitched out to just be one below, but I mean I appreciate the follow. I appreciate it. Can we get more followers in today's live stream? Okay, we're getting a very strong bullish order flow out of gold right now. Is my bias wrong, chat? Is my bias just wrong? I don't want to go ahead of the game. I don't want to go ahead of myself and start looking for buys, because at the end of the day, we did have a sweep of Asian highs, and it's only right to follow my system. So I'm just gonna stick to following my system. Bro, Wealthy Larry keeps going with the likes. I appreciate it, bro. I actually appreciate it. Let's see. I hope gold doesn't do what happened last week. Like last week, we were very yeah, gold is not going down, bro. I feel like this could be a little fake out. I feel like now that we've hit these highs, like this is a very strong resistance level. So I feel like we have room for price to go down. I'm just waiting for, you know, price to just go down, just crash down a little bit. But yeah, I was gonna say something. Yeah, I was saying that if gold does the same thing as last week and we don't get trades, that's gonna be so annoying. Last week, imagine we streamed every single day last week except for Friday, and we didn't get, and obviously Thursday because Thursday was Thanksgiving, and we didn't even get a trade. We didn't get a single trade last week. So hopefully this week we can actually get something. I don't even mind hitting a loss, but something at least. Give me something, bro. Actually, I do mind if it's a loss. I want to preserve my capital, but let's try it. Let's try and get some sort of W's this week. Last week was kind of dry, and I need to make some money, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. Bro, Wealthy Larry is going crazy with the likes. We've almost hit 1K likes on TikTok. Keep spamming the likes, chat. Keep spamming the likes. I appreciate it. Okay, I gotta lock in now on gold. I need to see. I like the fact that we just swept these highs again, and we're really going down right now. I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this. If this body can just be very low. Trading gold? Yeah, I'm trading gold, bro. I'm trading gold right now. Let's see what that 15 minutes is saying. Well, that 15 minutes is a very strong bullish candlestick. Yeah, last week was horrible for me. My psychology got worse. I forced setups and took losses, but I learned from it. That's good, bro. That's good. I mean, you know what it is? Every week we learn. As long as, like, for example, what you just said gives me the green light, and it tells me that you reviewed your week and you understand that your psychology was bad. And that's a good thing. I think the best thing to do as a trader is reflect. And the fact that you did that is amazing. And every week you should be auditing yourself anyways, seeing how you did as a trader, how you could improve and how you could become a better trader, you know? So yeah, we take L's, yeah, we take losses, but as long as you've learned from it, I think that those are blessings and you should keep going, bro. Keep going. I think it's only right. Let's see. Okay, I like this candlestick. I like it a lot. If we can just have like market go down now, I think we should be good. Let's see what that 1 minute is saying. Yeah, so that 1 minute, if we can break this 1 minute fair value gap, which we're really close on doing, I think we should be good. But if we get a bullish candlestick out of here, then yeah, we're screwed. So let's see. Let's see. I just need it to literally break this, and then we should be good. But even last week for me, bro, last week, gold tested my psychology a lot. I genuinely wanted to place a trade, especially because I was on live stream. I was like, okay, it's gonna get boring if I don't place a trade. But I mean, I'd rather show you guys real life trading than just forcing trades just for the sake of trading. So that's why I was like, you know what? Let's just stick to how it is, because I was genuinely gonna force a trade. Yeah, I do weekly reviews on the weekend to go over my trades and write down what to improve. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. You're literally part of the 1%. I don't know traders that do that. Like, I've spoken to so many traders, and like, genuinely speaking, not even 1% of traders actually do that on a weekly basis. And some of them do, but they fall off. So keep up the good work, keep going, keep reviewing. It doesn't matter, bro. Like, you can't control the outcome of trades. Like, you genuinely can't. But what you can control is the the handling of trades. How do you handle trades? How do you handle taking losses? How do you handle what happens after? That is what you can control. And that's what's good. Okay, so yeah, it's not looking good for me on a bearish point of view right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not looking good for me at all on a bearish point of view. Maybe we have to sweep all this liquidity before we go down. Maybe. I don't know. Let's just see. Maybe we have to sweep. I genuinely don't know. My system says to look for sells, but if there's no sells getting shown, then we can't look for sells. By the way, TikTok, if you would like to see my screen, hop on Twitch. Hop on Twitch. Click the link in the bio or search up Moby Trades. And I appreciate all the likes, guys. I appreciate all the likes. Wealthy Larry's still going crazy with the likes right now. Still going crazy with the likes. That's great, man. Okay, we're really... do you trade funded? No, I trade my own account, bro. I trade my own live account. I've been trading for like almost 6 years now, chat. It's literally next year is gonna be my 6th year in the markets. It's been a long journey. I'm not gonna lie. I'm becoming OG with it. But yeah, through the 5 years of trading, I've literally just been stacking up my live account, and I'm able to trade. Alhamdulillah, I'm able to trade a funded account. I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate the follow, Rems. I appreciate the follow, man. I actually appreciate it. We've hit 91 followers now. I appreciate it. Thank you for the follow, bro. But yeah, man. Yeah, just I always recommend every trader to like definitely grow your live account. Like, don't stay unfunded. Funded is not sustainable in the long run. Seriously, I assumed a lot of traders do that. What do you mean, bro? Like, oh, you mean like reviewing trades? Also, what's your percentage yearly return on average? Well, last year on average per month, I was making around like 6%, like on average. But last year was kind of bad. This year, my percentage has gone higher. It's like 11% per month, which is a lot better. But that's also because I've increased my risk. If I risk around 2 to 3%. So if I had to divide that by 2-3%, my monthly returns on a R perspective is maybe 1R, 2R per month, which is not the best, but it's still enough for me to be comfortable. It's still enough for me to like make money and you know, live my life and enjoy. And there's some months where I go crazy mode. But again, that's reality of trading though, chat. Like, you're not... I've had crazy months where I've made like 6R, I've made like 10R. I think my best month so far was like 12R in the month. And I did that live with you guys. It was actually near the beginning of this year. I think it was February. And like, those are my best months. But then there's months where I just make 1R, which is fine. Like those are realistic returns. Those are actually realistic returns. I don't, when traders tell me like they make like 20% or 30% of their account per month, I just feel like they're like over risking or something. It'll be more than that. If you're risking 2% is and you're getting 11%, then you're doing 5.5R a month. That's very impressive. Yeah. No, but then there's some trades though. This is the thing though. My trades, like sometimes I'll be risking 2%, sometimes I'll be risking 3%, bro. Like there's times where I risk 3%, and those are really confident trades. And when it wins, it's like really good returns. I think the best RR I've got on a trade was a 1 to 3, and I was on 3%, and that was like literally 9% on my account, which is amazing. But yes, 5R is still very good though. But like for example, last week I got 0R. 0R, like didn't get a place to trade. I'm very patient with my trading. I've noticed recently that I'm very, very patient with my trading, especially now that I've had such a good year. I'm very, very patient. I'm not trying to be aggressive. Like at the start of the year, if I showed you my P&L at the start of the year, I was having a lot of reds, like a lot of reds. I don't know if you chat. I don't know chat if you remember, but we were losing quite a lot. But our end of the month P&L was profitable. Like we were profitable at the end of the month. Weekly we weren't as profitable, but monthly we were profitable. We were still green, which was calm. But I was very aggressive. I think January I traded like I think I traded like 16, 17 times. Then February I traded like 14, 15 times, or probably even more actually. I think January I traded 20 times actually in the month, which is basically pretty much every day. And then but sometimes I traded twice. This month I'm up 4 to 5R. That's amazing, bro. Already. It's the first of the month. That's really good, bro. Well done. Well done. That's really, really good. What do you suggest to someone who wants to start trading? What to do? If you want to start trading, my best advice is going to be find a system that works for you on YouTube. Find a system. If you guys want to learn my system, you can go on YouTube and learn for free. And then join a community and lock in. Like if you guys join my community, again, I'm not trying to promote my community, but my community, we do fitness, we talk about personal development, we talk about other streams of income, we do giveaways, we do we're about to start a running club. Bro, this month we're about to do IRL link ups. If you're from the UK and you want to meet me up, we can. No, I mean November, my bad. I forgot we're in December already. Yeah. Yeah, bro, we're in December. The last month of the year, chat. Last month of the year. By the way, Twitch, if you haven't followed me already, please could you follow me? We're so close to 100 followers. If you could just drop me a follow, I would highly appreciate it. But yeah, if I had to start again, honestly, that's what I would do, and I'll just lock in. I would literally just lock in. Like I genuinely like every new trader that comes to me and speaks to me, within a month, they're super confident, they're ready to trade live, and they're ready to keep going. And that's literally because of the power of my community. My community is very, very strong. The fact that we share our workouts together, we actually pushed a couple members to start hitting the gym. Imagine that. Like we actually started to push members to actually start hitting the gym. A couple members didn't hit gym, and now they're hitting the gym. So that's lit. And we do giveaways within my community as well. We're doing a giveaway tonight, by the way. We're doing a giveaway tonight. If you guys want to be part of that, DM me. We're doing a giveaway tonight. By the way, I don't even know if I told you, Twitch. We're doing a giveaway tonight on my Discord server. So yeah, man, that's what I would do if I had to start again. Literally, I'm not gonna lie to you. I would genuinely, I would join a community like mine. Like, I'm not even trying to like brag about it or anything. I'm just saying in general because I'm proud of what I've built, and it's only right for you guys to actually be part of it. And if you're gonna watch me on Twitch and you're gonna watch me on TikTok and you're gonna follow me and you're gonna see my trades, it's only right you being part of the community. The way gold's moving right now, though, it's not really what I'm liking. This would have been such a clean buy. This would have been such a clean buy. like long position right here, stop loss below these, well, below this low right here, targeting, like this would have been such a clean buy. Right now we would have been up like 1.5, 0.6 R, but I'm not forcing buys right now. I'm not forcing any buys right now. I don't want to force any buys. How do I join? I am based in London. If you're based in London, drop me a DM. Drop me a DM and we'll set you up. We'll set you up on a we'll set you up in my community. By the way, chat, tonight I'm doing a major announcement. Actually, not even tonight. After this trading session, I'm going to be on TikTok doing a major announcement. I'm super excited to give you guys the announcement and show you what I've been working on for the past like 2-3 weeks. So if you, after the live stream, stay on TikTok because, or hop up Twitch, go back on TikTok because I'm going to be announcing the new thing that I'm launching, which is going to be so cool. I can't wait. I actually cannot wait. We've tested it out with a couple of the members in my community and oh, bro, we have built some good traders, man. Some traders, these traders are literally getting payouts, man. It's so easy for them now. I appreciate the follow, Mr. E White to you, or MRE White to you. I don't know how to say your username, bro, but I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate the follow. A gym is basically a cheat code for mental toughness, discipline, confidence, and all of that. Exactly, bro. Exactly. That's why I've kind of like branched out. So my community is called The Money Journal. And we branched out to actually, we're not just focusing on trading because a lot of communities, they just focus on like giving signals, talking about trading, but reality is trading is all about the lifestyle, how you are externally, how's your mental, how's your discipline, how's your confidence level. If you're not a confident person internally, you're never ever going to be confident in the markets. And that's why I have made it a mission to obviously expand the community, to open the doors for people that are not into trading, to get in, to come in and actually learn how to trade, but also become disciplined in other aspects of their life. And I feel like, you know, we're about to build something amazing. Next year, chat, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm so excited to grow the community into something so much more bigger. Like, I genuinely believe that we're going to be one of the biggest communities in trading that is doing everything from gym to personal development to discipline to actually building other sources of income too, just like how I've done. So it's going to be lit, man. I can't wait for next year. I genuinely cannot wait for next year. I appreciate the likes, TikTok. I appreciate the likes, man. But yeah, right now gold is kind of cooking me. I'm looking for sells and all it's giving me is blue candlesticks, which is kind of annoying. Let me see what that 15 minutes. Let's hope that we sweep one of these highs. Let's hope that we sweep one of these highs. Let's hope. Yeah, gold is kind of like cooking my bias right now, but let's just hope. Actually, this high is not even the one. I want to sweep that high, which we kind of did over here. Let's see how let's see how price reacts to this high. Yeah, man. If you guys want to be part of the community, I know it definitely is great, bro. The way the way the traders are in the community now. Forget shorting. Ah, bro, I can't lie. Like, I genuinely feel like we're gonna be shorting, bro. I'm gonna marry my bias for now. If the market decides to change up on me, then fair enough. Like if the 30 minutes, if the 30 minutes breaks these highs, then fair enough. I'm gonna go for buys. Or I know I'm not gonna go for buys because we never swept any liquidity. Then I'm just gonna have to firm no trading. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna stick to my bias for now. I'm gonna stick to my bias for now and see what happens. But let's see. Let's see. You never know, bro. We might just get like huge red candlesticks. And then it's like, okay, I want to please join your community. DM me, bro. DM me and we'll set you up to join my community. We'll set everything up. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, the community that we've built so far, like I started the community in February. We have almost 200 members. And bro, the way the community is, like, people are winning every single day. Yassine, you should know, you're part of the community. We got people going gym literally every day. Every day someone's posting a gym workout. We got people literally like, bro, it's so lit to have a community. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's so lit. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the 5 minutes has definitely turned bullish after just breaking these highs. Hopefully we can get like a reaction out of these highs. Hopefully we can get a reaction out of these highs. I genuinely hope that we can. Come on, please give us a reaction. I just want it to literally tap and then just drop down. We still got 4 minutes left. Let's see. Let's see. By the way, TikTok, hop on Twitch and just give me a follow, bro. Give me a follow. We're on road to our 100 followers. And we're so close. We literally just need 8 more people. We literally just need 8 more people. Bro, what is happening with gold, man? Yassine, you might be right, you know. You actually might be right. Maybe I have married my bias a bit too much. Maybe I have. Let's see. We got 18 minutes until this 30-minute candlestick closes. Let's hope that this is a good sweep of liquidity. Let's hope that this is a good sweep of liquidity. This is going to be techie, man. This is genuinely going to be techie. Because if we start pulling forwards, I don't know why the market would have done that. Okay, maybe we did. Okay, maybe we did sweep these lows as well. Now that I can see that. I mean, did we get like... Let me have a look at the fib level. I want to know why we're pushing up right now. Let's go on a 30-minute real quick. Oh, sorry, don't wanna... I mean, yeah, we might actually... Yeah, I feel like maybe my bias was wrong. I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. Maybe this sweep of liquidity was just a manipulation for me to like look for shorts. Maybe I got sucked in. Let's see. Because I'm liking how we rejected at the 78.6. Bro, why does this fib keep disappearing? Visibility. Moby got sucked in. Yeah, maybe I did get sucked in for the sells. I haven't actually placed a trade yet, but this is why patience is key. But I just want to know, like, yeah, we did get good rejections out of the 71 point. Yeah, we rejected nicely on that level. I'm not gonna lie to you. This might be... Let's see how this hourly closes. Let's actually see how this hourly closes. Because if this hourly closes above these highs, then yeah, we're definitely cooked. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but stick to your strategy. I don't want to distract you. Yeah, no, don't worry, bro. When it comes to trading, I'm literally clockwork. About the £500 account growing. What are you trading? Account being a couple months. Wait. I'm confused, bro. I'm confused. What you trading about the £500 account growing it being a couple months? I don't remember doing the £500 account. Did I tell you guys that I'm doing a £500 account? I'm gonna be real, I haven't started that. I don't remember saying that. Oh, for you to do it. Oh, for you to do it, bro. Oh, you did it. Oh, you did it. How did it go, bro? How did it go? How did it go? How's it been so far? That's lit, man. That is lit. That's good, man. I like that. I like that. Definitely. Let's talk more on Discord about that, bro. Let's talk more about that on Discord. That's so cool, bro. That's amazing. That's actually amazing. So just to give you guys some hindsight, I told one of my traders to like open up a live account and trade their live account. And they just told me that they're doing well. Lost that phone and then tried again. I don't use Discord. Bro, get Discord, bro. Get Discord, man. I kept trying, alhamdulillah. That's amazing, bro. That's actually amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm proud of you, bro. Keep that's really good work. That's actually good work, man. I love hearing success stories, man. That's so amazing to hear. That is so amazing to hear that you're doing so well. Keep up the good work and now use that capital to buy prop firms and start rinsing prop firms, bro. Now that you've understood the game of trading, you'll be able to start rinsing prop firms very, very easily. So we've got 14 minutes, chat. Let's see. If price closes above these highs, then I'm not going to trade today. I'm not going to lie to you. Then I'm not going to trade. I'm not even going to force it. I'm so tempted to look for buys, but I'm not going to force it. And right now, the 5 minutes has swept these highs. So I'm hoping that we start to push down a little. Even the 50 minutes has swept these highs. So we're looking good for sells. Let's just hope, man. Let's just hope. Just got a 25k account. Yeah, bro. By the way, use my code Moby Trades, all caps, for Alpha Capital Group funded accounts. You get a good discount. I think right now there's like a 30% discount if you use my code. So I highly recommend it to all of you guys. Like if you guys want to be using prop firms, there's no point buying full price. Use my code, chat. Like literally use my code. There's no point paying full price for prop firms. Literally no point. I'm gonna use it once I pass this one. Yeah, no worries, bro. No worries. That's amazing though. Well done. You know what? Let me get a pair again and buy a 50k account. Yeah, that's gonna be so dirty, bro. That's gonna be so dirty. Okay, I'm liking that rejection now. Okay, that's good. That's good. If we can go below these highs, oh my days. That's gonna be so clean. That is gonna be so clean. I'm already liking the fact that we're tanking right now. There we go. That's the bearish move I was looking for. There we go. My success story is on the way. Don't worry, bro. Your success story is definitely on the way, man. All of you guys, man. All of you guys that watch me, I can't wait to hear every single one of you guys' story. Like every single one of you guys, I can't wait to hear the story, man. That's gonna be so lit. Got to go back to work, but speak in a bit. Yeah, no, don't worry, bro. In a bit, bro. That's so cool, man. You actually came out of work to tell me that. That is so amazing. That is so amazing. I love the community that we built with traders, man. This is so lit. Okay, we have a little fair value gap there. It's so small that chat might not even be able to see it. That's one. And then we have a little fair value gap here as well, which I low-key want it to disrespect. Got like 2 minutes. Before I start prop firm challenges, which trading pair should I be educating on? EU and GU, always. Learn on EU and GU because that builds, the market structures are so easy and it also builds a lot of discipline. And then find a pair that you like. Like, for example, me, it was gold. Whoo! Look at the way gold is dropping, chat. Let's go. Let's actually go. This is what I like to see. That is so clean. Let's go. I love the way that 30-minute candlestick is right now. If we can stay like that, oh my days, that's going to be so lit. Look at the way that dropped. Come on. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, gold. Let's keep going. Like I said, I'm going to stick to my bias. I'm going to stick to my system. The system works. So let's just hope that it stays like this and then we're good. We're good. Let's just hope that we stay like this. Oh, I love the fact that it's dropping like this right now. If we can just continue this, bro. Oh, my days. If it starts rejecting, oh, that's going to be so annoying. Okay, we got 1 minute. At least break this fair value gap. I don't respect this, please. Ah, I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this at all. Drop down, bro. Keep dropping, bro. Keep dropping, bro. Don't respect this fair value gap. Good, good, good. 30 seconds. Keep going down. I like that. I like that a lot. Keep going. Yes, sir. When does prop firm challenge? When doing prop firm challenges, is it up to me as to what I can trade, or does the prop firm tell me? No, you can do whatever you want, bro. You can literally trade whatever you want. What asset am I trading? I'm looking for gold sells right now. And the way gold is tanking right now, oh, I can't lie. This is why I love gold. I shouldn't say that though, because if gold starts to violate me, that's gonna be okay. This fair value gap got disrespected. Let's just disrespect this fair value gap now. Let's just disrespect that. Come on, chat. Come on, let's just disrespect it real quick. You got 5 minutes. Let's just not even respect it at all. Bitcoin is dumping, by the way. Yeah, it's on 85,000 right now. Been on 85,000 for a second though. I want to let's see if Bitcoin goes below 85. Oh, that's gonna be so techie. Everything is dropping at the moment. Nah, for real, bro. What's happened? Did something happen in the markets? Can someone check for me? Like, did something happen like on like? Did someone say something? Like, why is everything just dropping right now? Is index is dropping? Yeah, index is dropping as well. Whoo, damn. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a drop. This is definitely a drop. I'm not gonna lie to you. We need to break this. If we can break these lows. Oh, that's my entry protocol right there. I'm not gonna lie, that would be my intro. I'm actually getting excited, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. This could be my first trade of the week, first trade of the month. Are you saying that I can trade Bitcoin on prop firm challenges? I mean, if they allow crypto, then yeah. I don't know every rule of prop firms, but um I don't check Asia Gold 1 minute time frame. Right now we're in New York, bro. But yeah, like just check what prop firm allows you to. To be honest though, I don't know if you want to trade crypto in on prop firms though. Like crypto is very volatile. Like it can make you pass a prop firm very fast, but I don't know if you want to risk it. I think that's gonna be very, very techie. Bro, if this 5 minutes can stay like this, oh I'll actually be so happy. Cause then I'm 100% ready for the sell-off. 100% ready for the sell-off. Can I read the rules of prop firms before I buy the challenge? Of course, bro. Of course. 100% you can do that. 100%. You can 100% read the rules before you buy. And you should do that with everything. You should do that with literally everything. Always read the rules before you purchase anything in life. Don't ever buy something without following the rules or learning the rules or researching and understanding what's going on. Yeah, gold short's looking good right now. Bro, I've been saying it, bro. I've been saying it. I've actually been saying it. Not gonna lie. Wow. The way we rejected these highs is so clean. So clean, chat. NQ is playing with me again. Might not trade today. Yeah, bro. It is a Monday though. It is a Monday. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not gonna sell gold all the way down to like here. Or I could do, but I'm not gonna like expect it to start crashing. I'm just gonna trade it as much. I'm just gonna squeeze as much as I can. Are you in sells right now? No, not right now. I find BTC a breeze to trade. It's probably because of the volatility. Monday plus 1st of December. Literally, bro. Today is literally like, it's not like the worst day to trade, but it's definitely a difficult day to trade because it's the first week of the month, which is where a lot of news comes in. It's the first and it's a Monday. Like that is like triple, like I don't even know what to call it, bro. Let's see though. I'm loving the fact that gold is just like crashing out right now. That is so clean. Which country are you in? I'm in the UK, bro. This is why I didn't trade today. Yeah. Yeah, because like look, it sold everyone out for buys, which like I said, it would have been a clean buy if I bought here. That would have been a nice 1-to-1. But I feel like the better move is the sells right now. From now on is definitely, we've got 16 seconds left, and I feel like we should be decent with the sell-off. We're about to disrespect this fair value gap. Hopefully nothing just shoots up randomly. Oh, brilliant. Okay, there we go. There we go. That is great stuff. Now we just have to like crash even more to break this structure. I'm just gonna get rid of that fair value gap for a second. And then we should be good to start looking for entries. We got 5 minutes left as well for the 1 hour. If this 1 hour can drop even lower, oh my days. We're in for a ride on gold. Which prop firm do you recommend? I definitely recommend Alpha Capital Group. Definitely recommend it. Not just because I'm partnered with them, but also because also because of the rules, how amazing it is, and the fact that you guys can get a discount. Like literally, one guy got his payout denied because he traded on GU, but there was Euro red folder news. I know that can affect price movement, but I didn't know you could get denied for it. Is that what prop firm is that for? What prop firm was that for, bro? And yeah, bro, like I'm gonna be real though, chat. Just stop trading red folders. Like, there's a lot of prop firms that don't like it. And remember, you're using their systems, you're using their software, they're giving you leverage. So the least thing you guys can do is just follow their rules. If you guys don't want to follow their rules, just start a live account and work a job and stack up. That's what I did. I don't want to follow rules. I don't want to follow next company's rules. But that's literally why. But I mean, it is what it is, right? Let's see. I'm liking the fact we've got 3 minutes left for this hourly candlestick, and I'm really liking the fact that we just swept those highs as well. Can you trade prop firm challenges 24/7? Yes, you can. I don't know. I don't even know, you know. I'll take a look. Yeah. Also, bro, like, I'll be real with you. Don't listen to people when they say they get their payout denied and it's because of something stupid. Bro, 90% of the time, their payout's been denied because they did something stupid. And they will lie and say, oh, it's because of these rules and stuff like that. Like, I've had so many traders come to me and say, yo, bro, like, I've like done this and that, and I got rejected a payout, and I'm like, okay, cool, let's research, let's actually figure out, let's get you to get that payout, because obviously I don't want you guys to get cheated on. And it turns out he's done something stupid, like over leveraged or something like that. It's like, that's why I don't really take people's word when they say they lose a prop firm challenge. Most likely it's going to be their own fault, most likely. And I just say GG's and just keep going, bro. There's no point chasing a prop firm challenge if you, first of all, if you're anything below a 50k account, I think the 25k account is like the least thing I would say. Anything below that, I'm gonna be raw. If you lose it, bro, the prop firm is so cheap, just go again, bro. Like, just take the L and keep going. Like, I know it's not the best advice, but it's the best advice I can give you. Because if you dwell on those losses, you're gonna just become a terrible trader. Like live-o. Which reasons prevent payout? This is why I get scared with prop firms. Bro, literally the only reason you can get denied payout is if you are not a profitable trader and you won the challenge by luck. Like, that's the only way I'd say that you could possibly be denied a payout. If you're a good trader, you're disciplined, and you don't over leverage, there is no reason for you to get denied a payout. Literally no reason. I'm on my 4th 70k FTMO prop firm challenge. They are awesome. Yeah, that's amazing, bro. FTMO is great, man. FTMO is definitely great. Only thing I'll say is their challenges are very, very expensive, which for some of you guys might be calm, but for others, it might not be calm. That's why I say the next best. I think the second best is definitely Alpha Capital Group. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I genuinely believe that Alpha Capital Group is the second best. It was either that or 5%ers. I think both of them are like head on head. Both of them haven't had any bad reviews so far. Look at the way the hourly time frame is right now. If we can get this bearish breaker structure before the hourly closes, I'm gonna be so happy. We're already getting a fair value gap formed. Bro, we're about to enter this market. It's literally in the next 10 minutes. In the next 10 minutes, we're hopefully, if this breaks structure, in the next 10 minutes, we're about to enter the markets, chat. We're about to enter the markets. Probably going to keep my stop loss, depending on how it is, either up here and then target like down here, or I might have it aggressive. I'm not too sure yet. Just depends on the pullback. Just depends on the pullback. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I love the hourly candlestick, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. This hourly candlestick is one of the best rejections any trader can get. Now, all we need is a little pullback and respect of a fair value gap, and then we're entering. I can't wait. So I'm just getting everything ready on my MetaTrader. So this is kind of the trade that I'm looking at the moment. Obviously, the stop loss is kind of big, but we can obviously adjust the stop loss. Like we could put it above here, if anything. That gives us a nice 1 to 3. But it just depends on, it literally just depends on how things go. I use a lot size of 1 on my account and just trade off the 1 hour chart. That's calm, bro. If that works for you, that works for you. Once I'm profitable in a challenge, is there a time limit on when I should request my payout? I think there is. Like, I think some prop firms, they say every bi-weekly, or most prop firms say every bi-weekly. Bro, please don't hit London lows straight away. Don't do that to us, chat. It better not do that. I'm not gonna lie to you. It better not. We better get some sort of pullback, bro. There's no way you're doing exactly what I want you to do, and you don't do it properly. There's literally no way. Come on. Come on now. Let's not mess around here. Let's not mess around here now. Like, we've got everything to the T. We just need to follow a fair value gap. That's all we have to do, is follow a fair value gap. Might even, if it continues to go lower, I could low-key like target all the way down here, which will give us a really good RR. Let's just hope though that we actually get a good R. Gold is playing with me. Yeah, no, for real, bro. I just don't want it to hit London lows. If it hits London lows, and that's one of my targets, and I can't trade. So I'm actually rooting for it to go up a little bit now. Please go up, gold. Come on now. Don't violate. Do not violate. Unless it gives us another fair value gap, then fair enough. But let's see. I'm going to sell from 4260. Oh my days. That is so... Bro, you must be in crazy profits right now. You actually must be in crazy profits. What caused you to sell at that point though? I'm actually curious. Like, every time someone tells me like I'm in a sell or I'm in a buy at this point, I'm just gonna start asking you like I'm actually curious. Like, what made you, like, what was the protocol for you to sell at that point? Good evening. Good evening, bro. It's actually afternoon for me right now. 30 minutes was starting to head down. But you sold when you sold in a bullish candlestick, bro. You trade turning points, but you on the 30 minutes you sold when the candlestick was bullish. That's why I'm curious. That's literally why I'm curious. Like, you're in good profits, but I want to know. Some people randomly buy and sell when they feel like it. Like, yeah, like you can't sell just because we got rejection off these highs, because it could have easily went up. It never disrespected any of the fair value gaps that we formed. Like, I would say that's kind of like a really bad poor setup. But I'm not getting on to you, bro. I genuinely want to, like, I want to know. Maybe I can implement it in my trading, because I know a lot of people, they sell at a turning point where there's no structure formed, and it's like, oh, you use indicators. Oh, okay, cool. That makes sense. MACD's crossed on the 8-minute charts. Okay, cool. Fair enough then. If you use indicators, I mean, indicators, I used to use indicators and stuff like that. I just think it's waste of time, to be honest. I am from Nigeria now as evening, but what is happening to Bitcoin? I lost everything. Oh my days. You lost everything on Bitcoin? Damn, bro. I actually feel bad for you. I'm not gonna lie, everything's dropping right now. I think the market's just trying to Nate Dog 1992. I appreciate the follow, bro. I appreciate the follow. Let's keep running up the follows, chat. Let's keep running up the follows. We're almost at 100 followers. I don't trade off bullish or bearish candlesticks as it can be misleading. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I mean, it's working for you. You have you hit a TP yet? I think this would have been a really good TP1 down here, or actually TP1, TP2. If I sold over here, I would have definitely kept TP1 and TP2. It's so interesting to see how everyone's got different trading styles. Like everyone sees the market so differently. Like the way I see the market, some people say it's very delayed entry, but then like the way others people, I would say, okay, that's a very aggressive entry, and it's so interesting to see how it works for everyone, but it's just very interesting to see how it plays out. But that's kind of cool though. Let's just hope now. I genuinely hope that gold can pull up and go back down again ASAP. I really don't want it to hit London lows, because we might get a really strong bullish reaction out of London lows, and then it might screw me over. Let's see. So there's two types of trades we could do right now. We could do a short position here and keep my stop loss. Probably have to keep my stop loss here. And then target. Still not looking great. Okay, it looks like gold wants to hit London lows beforehand. Fair enough. I know we got a red folder coming up as well, so I really don't. Oh, we didn't hit it. We didn't hit London lows. Oh, this could be interesting. This actually could be interesting. Stop losses break even. That's amazing. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. I'm happy that at least you're making money on the live stream. That's good stuff. I'm really liking that rejection right now on gold. So these are the kind of two setups right now that we've got for gold. Both targeting here. So we can get like a really good 1 to 7, potentially, depending on the stop loss. Or we can get like a really clean 1 to 3. Let's see. Obviously, this is crazy TPs. Most likely probably just close at London lows. Cause I'm not 100% bearish today. Let's see though. Let me just clean this up for you guys. I'm actually happy though. I'm a little bit scared though. I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. Like, this is my first trade back on live. It's a bit nerve-wracking because it could just go left, but let's just hope it doesn't. Let's actually hope it doesn't. Let's go. Let's go. It never worked for me off the lower time frame. As soon as I switched to 1 hour, profit came in hard. That's good, bro. That's good. That's really, really good. I mean, like, the 1 hour is the time frame that I use too. I only use the lower time frames for entries, like precise entries. But the 1 hour is exactly what I use as well. Like, I use the 1 hour time frame to give me targets, to give me the bias. What platform do you trade, mate? I trade on MetaTrader, MT5. I trade on MT5. I'd appreciate, guys, if you're new to this live stream, I would appreciate a nice quick little follow. You get your name popped up there as well. You see the little animation that I created for you guys. We're road to 100 followers. Right now we got 93 followers. Again, I'm sorry guys, my follower count on thank you for the follow, bro. Thank you for the follow. You're funded or own money? Own money, bro. I've been trading for like 5 years. It's almost my 6th year. Almost my 6th year. 5 years in, and we're still strong. We're still strong in the market. So yeah. Yeah. I appreciate the follow though, bro. I don't know how you say name. Is it Karamba? You don't mind shorting even though the 1 hour is bullish? The 1 hour is not really that bullish, bro. We had two bearish candlesticks out of a sweep, and we just had another sweep, and this candlestick's very bearish. Very, very bearish. Oh, what did I do here? Sorry, right there. Let's see though. Karamba. Okay, that's a nice name, man. That's actually a nice name. Let's hope now that this is just a little retracement. We can actually get our fib levels out of this at this point. Actually really see. Oh yeah. I really wanted to hit a 61.8. Let's hope. Let's hope so. I appreciate the follow. Solo888Z. I appreciate the follow, man. We're actually so close to 100, man. This is so lit. We're so close to 100 people following me. I know that's not like a crazy number compared to other streamers, but 100 is such a good number for me because it's like we actually have 100 people in. Like 100 people actually want to see me live trade, which is so cool. Or are you in a trade right now or not? No, not yet, not yet. Literally waiting for price to literally react out of these fair value gaps. I appreciate the follow, man. Q crew life. I appreciate the follow. Let's go, let's go. 95 followers, man. That is so lit. That is so lit, chat. Let's keep going. Let's keep following, man. Keep going. Congrats, my bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We're almost at 100. We're literally almost at 100 right now. We literally need, on my Twitch, it literally says we need like 4 more people. TikTok, if you're not on Twitch right now, please try your best to just get on Twitch right now and give me a follow. You don't even have to stay on Twitch. Just give me a follow, just so that we can hit that 100 followers mark in this live stream. And you guys are about to get like a fire ass entry on gold. So just literally waiting right now. The only problem is with gold right now, if I enter a short over here, I have to keep my stop loss quite high up. Probably have to be like above here. 100k challenge giveaway when you reach 100. We'll see, bro. We'll see. We'll see. I'll have to ask, but we'll definitely see. I think that would be kind of cool. Or I'll try and do like a 50k twice or something. I think a lot of people like the smaller challenges, but more volume so that more people can win, rather than just one person winning out of like 100 people. But we'll definitely do something big for 100 followers on Twitch, because we've been locked in for a minute. Last week we were on like 50 followers, and now we're like all the way at almost at 100. We gained like 50 followers in a week. Like that's so crazy to me. That's so crazy. Like 50 traders hopped on Twitch and actually gave me a follow. Like that's so crazy to me. That's genuinely crazy. Let's see. Yeah, that RR might be, I mean, it's still good RR, but it might be a bit. Let's see. Hopefully we don't get a rejection here. I low-key want a rejection here. Or I could place 2 trades. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. We'll see how this goes. Because I could low-key. I just don't want to get stopped out if I enter too early. Let's go, let's go. We're so close for entries, chat. This is better than last week already. Last week, we didn't even get liquidity sweeps. At least this week, we're actually getting motion. Like, we got the liquidity sweep, we got the breaker structure, and we're literally on the last point of entry, which is fair value gaps. Once we get that, oh my days, I can't wait. I genuinely can't wait. Let's go, let's go. Bro, I'm actually trying to lock in real quick. By the way, chat, we're live every single day, Monday to Thursdays. You waiting for MSS? If ever got without MSS only contest, not a trigger. Nah, I've already got a market structure shift, bro. We already got that right here, this breaker structure. So I always waited for a breaker structure first and then fair value gaps. I never ever go for fair value gaps and then breaker structure, because that's just entering off a very expensive price, or like that's a very delayed entry. I thought I was trading on my demo, but it was actually my even. I lost 670 when my max is 750. Come on, bro. We can't be making those mistakes, man. We genuinely can't be making those mistakes, bro. Like I understand that you make mistakes like that, but genuinely, bro, that's a lesson learned. That's a lesson learned, because that's something that you could have prevented. This is a fake change of character for me. Okay, fair enough, bro. Fair enough. For me, this is a very valid breaker structure. Very, very valid for me. Like, if I go on the 15 minutes, Like, yeah, it's very valid for me to say as a breaker structure. I do hear it though, because this candlestick is looking very bad. We have a Warren Buffett in the comments. You know what it is though? I do hear him because this candlestick is a very strong rejection, but I go based on the 5 minute time frame. And if I get stopped, I get stopped out. So be it. I mean, my risk, I manage my risk, so I couldn't care less. But I'm not trying to even think about that. Now gotta make 2.1K to pass the challenge. Yeah, that is techie. Do you know what? Like when you're like when you're in drawdown and challenges, it's like one of the worst feelings. By the way, bro, if you're new to the live stream and you know, I wouldn't mind the follow, by the way, bro. I wouldn't mind the follow. But yeah, like, yeah, when you're in drawdown on prop firm challenges, I genuinely feel like that is one of the painful feelings of, okay, now I have to make more money, and it's really annoying to go through that. I hate that. I hate hearing that traders have to go through that. Let's see, what's that 30 minute? The 30 minute candlestick's also looking very. I don't really like that rejection. But don't worry, we're gonna be up soon. 100%, bro. 100%. Literally, bro. We are 100% gonna be up soon. All I'm asking for is literally price to just go into that FET and come out. Do you know what? Do you know what I love though? I love when traders come to me and tell me like how I should trade, because it just, I don't know. It's just like, you know what? I hear it. Sometimes it might not make sense, but like the industry of traders, they're so judgmental. Like the other day, I made a TikTok about how I haven't seen a trade in it for a whole week, and I got so many like comments saying that, yeah, bro, you're like, your system's so bad. You trade this system, you should do that system. It's like, bro, I've been trading the system for like 3 years now, like 4 years actually, consistently, and it's been going well for me. Why would I change? It's like if a long distance runner loses a race and then they start telling him to start doing 100 meters sprints. It's like, bro, that's not what he does. Like, obviously not getting onto you, bro, but I'm just saying in general, like, it's just so funny how like I get a lot of hate when it comes to my system and stuff like that, but it's like I'm the one that back tested it and I got a really good win rate out of the back testing, and I forward tested it, and I've been trading 3 years live, and I haven't blown that account yet, which is so amazing. Imagine being 4% drawdown in a phase 2 after passing phase 1 for the final. Yeah, I can't lie, that right there is worse than a heartbreak, bro. That right there is actually worse than a heartbreak. So this is what which system causes you to lose, or which system causes you losses? There is no system that causes losses, bro. I genuinely believe every system on the internet works. It's all about your risk management. It's all about how much you risk and your risk tolerance and what is the long-term game for you. That's all I believe. That's all I believe when it comes to trading. I do not care what system you trade, as long as it's profitable on a monthly and yearly basis. On an annual basis is even better. Then that's great. If you haven't tested your system for at least 1 year minimum, then you don't have real data. Because I'm not trading to trade for 3 months and get rich. I'm trying to trade for at least. Think about it. When we become a doctor, it takes 4 years, 5 years, sometimes 6 years, sometimes 10 years, right? To become a lawyer can take anywhere between 5+ years. To become an engineer takes another 5+ years. Why are we only looking at weekly or monthlies when it comes to our system for trading? Do we not want to trade for another 5 years and see what happens? Or like 6 years? Are you not interested in that kind of data? Because I am. Okay, I like the fact that we got good rejections out of here already. What I might do is I might be a little bit aggressive with this entry. If I lose the trade, then so be it, and then I'll enter on here. I'll enter twice. So let's get that entry ready. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, hold on 1 second. We have to wait for a bearish candlestick. Give it 1 second. I don't like the way that candlestick flipped. If it stays like that, then no entry yet. At what point does trading turn into gambling, or are they both the same? No. So gambling is when you don't actually have a system and a plan that you don't follow, and you risk your capital, hoping that you're gonna get an outcome. Trading is some people can say it's sophisticated. So by the way, chat, this is a sell for me. That is a sell entry for me right here. Actually, kind of like entered here. I've entered the market, guys. I got a bearish candlestick out of here. TP1 would be down here, like London lows. But this is my entry, chat. This is my entry right now. I'm gonna find position. Let me just put my stop loss in. 4, 4, 2, 5, 6. Damn, this is my first entry. 4254, sorry. 4254.52. Okay. Modify, there we go. This is good. Oh. Okay. Let's see how things go. Sorry, I was just trying to modify my position. I accidentally clicked sell twice. I wasn't meant to do that. So I was just waiting for that candlestick to close. You should show your screen. My screen is shown, bro, on Twitch. Raw, first live trade? Yeah, bro. First live trade. Let's go. By the way, chat, like I've lowered my risk just because if I do hit stop loss here, I get another opportunity to place a trade. But first trade of the week, first trade on live, chat. Let's go. WT Steven, I appreciate the follow. Sorry, I didn't get to see that notification. I appreciate the follow, chat. Let's go, man. I'm excited for this trade. I'm excited to see what this trade's got for me. I'm actually excited to see what this trade's got for me. Let's keep going. The hourly's looking good. Let's keep going. Even if we can hit London lows, I did say all I really low-key want to hit is like London lows. Whew. If we can hit London lows, I think we should be PMI in 30 minutes. That's what I'm saying, bro. I mean, London lows is a 1-to-1, which I don't mind low-key. Let's see, though. Let's see how price reacts to these lows. What's your Twitch ID? Moby Trades, bro. Or click the link in the bio. If we can just hold this trade before PMI news, we should be good. We should be good. I appreciate the follow. Inti786. I appreciate the follow, bro. That's amazing. Thank you for the follow. I think gold is just going to consolidate. Well, I hope not. I hope not. I actually genuinely hope not. PMI and famous, I know. Cool. Yes, sir. Bro, we're so close to 100 followers, man. Let's keep running it up. Let's keep running it up. And we've actually executed our first trade in the game, which is lit, which I like that. We've got like 1 minute left for this candlestick. I'm not really liking the fact that we do have a bullish candlestick. Let's see. Let's just see. I low-key want to come out of this trade before PMI news. But let's see. You know when you just go to lock in and just wait for this candlestick to close? That's me right now. Just trying to lock in real quick. Just trying to see. To be honest, I'm in no control of this trade. It can easily just go. I could easily just go. I could easily just leave the markets alone. But I just want to see how price reacts to London lows because we were so close to London lows. It's only right that we actually hit it. Like it's literally only right that we hit it. I would long here? I don't know, bro. I just don't see. How often are you live on Twitch, bro? Every single day, bro. Every single day. I don't know. The 30 minutes is looking really good with its shorts as well. The 1 hour is looking really good with its shorts. The 15 minutes is looking really good with its shorts as well. And if the 15 minutes can stay like this, that's going to be so clean. If the 15-minute closes bullish, it's going to be so techie for me. Which I hope not. I genuinely hope not. And like I said to you, chat, I've got another trade set up around here as well anyways. But I low-key don't want it to do that. I low-key don't want it to do that though. Yeah, I like the fact that the 38 extension was good. Yeah, low-key don't want it to go all the way up to here. If it goes up to here, then it's fine. Do you have any trading courses before I start prop firm challenges? Bro, after this call, after this live stream, I'm literally doing an announcement, bro. Like, I'm doing it's not a course, but it is gonna change your life. Like, traders is going to change your life. And yeah, just stay off this live stream, hop on TikTok. I'm gonna like take like a 50-minute break just to refresh, and then I'm gonna announce I'm gonna do the announcement. I can't lie, my entry model hasn't come through on Q with news. I'm gonna just watch your trade. Yeah. Bro, I'm kind of like a bit shook now because we do have news. I actually know we have news coming up, but I'm just praying that we can hit London lows before the news occurs. And then just call it a day. Let's see who's right. Bro, I don't like competing with my viewers, bro. I genuinely don't like competing with my viewers. But yeah, let's see, man. One of us is gonna be right. Let's just hope it's me. Let's actually hope it's me. I can't lie. Like I actually have a lot of money on the line for this trade. Let's just hope that it's calm. I like the fact that we're rejecting good. Yeah, we had good rejection on that fair value gap. Okay, that's good. Which hours are you live daily? Bro, New York Open all the way to like, so in the UK time, it's 1 to 3. So 1 to 3, I'm usually live. I'm usually live 1 to 3. Bro, I don't like this bullish candlestick, bro. This bullish or both will be liquidated. Trading is so fun. Or both will be liquidated. Nah, for real, bro. If we both get swept actually, I mean, if it goes down here, like I'm guessing a lot of people stop losses down here. If we get like, I mean, I'm gonna close the trade early then. If it tries to liquidate these lows, I'm gonna close early. I'm gonna just take my profits and be calm. I don't mind closing a 1-to-1 on the 1st day of December. What I do mind though is taking an L on the 1st of December. That's gonna be so sad. Yeah, I'm just rooting for this 30 minutes to just stay bearish. Like I really want it to stay bearish. Or at least the 15 minutes to stay bearish. If the 15 minutes can stay bearish, I'll be so happy. It all depends. I swear we got news in like 2 minutes as well. Oh no, we got news in half an hour. Sorry. We got like a yellow folder. I swear we got like a yellow folder or like an orange folder in like 2 minutes. Come on, don't close bullish. Do not close bullish, bro. If you close bullish, I could get screwed. I could get screwed, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, loady. Oh, loady. 4255 inverse fair value gap, 10 minutes. I don't look at the 10 minutes, bro. I don't look at the 10 minutes. You got 40 seconds gold. You better not do this to me, man. You better not do this to me. What's that, 50 minutes? Come on, bro. Just close bearish, bro. This is literally a battle between buyers and sellers right now. This is a visual battle between buyers and sellers because buyers have a move and sellers have a move. It's just literally who's going to win. 12 seconds, bro. Close bearish, man. Close bearish. If your bias, if your bias not based on higher time frame, is your bias not based? It is based on higher time frame. But if you have a look, we have this 15-minute fair value gap, which we just had bearish order flow come out of it. So I'm actually kind of happy. I'm actually happy that we closed bearish. I'm actually very, very happy because even if it does go up, I don't mind it going up. I just don't expect a deep retracement. And even if we do, like, I have made sure that my risk has been managed so that I can take this L and place another trade for the day. Usually I only trade once, like one setup. But today, when it comes to trades like this, where there's two fair value gaps, where price could easily go to these highs, I usually just de-risk the first trade. If it hits, it hits, and I'm good. And then I just do another. But if it hits stop loss, I can place another trade. Like, I've opened room for me to place another trade, if that makes sense. But I'm happy. I'm happy that we closed bearish on that 15 minutes. That I'm actually kind of happy. I'm just now waiting for, like, the market just to, if we can break these lows, I think we should be good. I think we should be good with the sells. Let me actually put a red marker because we broke these lows. I'm just really actually trying to see if we can break these lows. Again, London lows could be a target. London lows could literally be a target. Why did you choose to trade gold today? I always trade gold, bro. I always trade gold. If we can just break below these lows, I'll be so happy. I'd actually be so happy. 3 minutes. Bit techie. Don't reverse on us. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We can get first TP hit in literally a matter of like a few seconds, chat. We can get first TP hit. Bro, all I want it to do is hit London lows. We're so close, bro. Don't do that. Could we go 1 minute breaker structure? But that could just be a clean liquidity sweep. It was looking good. It actually was looking good. Right now we're getting like a little liquidity sweep, which I'm not really liking. Trading is simply a language, but you seem like you are playing a guessing game at the roulette wheel. What? What? Bro, I have set protocols, and this is following my system to the T. And I'm just hoping that all we can do is be hopeful. I don't really get that I don't really get what you're trying to say, bro, but I'm just being hopeful. I could stay silent the whole stream and lock in, but just to make it a little entertainment, I'm just giving you what my thoughts are saying. Got 1 minute 43, and I'm not liking the way the candlesticks are right now. If we can just keep going down, that would be clean. I really don't want to hold this trade during red folder. I really don't. Genuinely don't. Let's see, we got 1 minute left. Sorry, chat. I'm just trying to. How do you identify no trading zones? Just high time frame for value gaps. I never trade on high time frame for value gaps, and if the higher time frame doesn't have a liquidity sweep, I don't trade. Literally, come on, 44 seconds. I low-key want it to be a little bit more bearish than that. I don't really like the fact that it's like that. Can we be a little bit more bearish, please? Come on, be a bit more bearish. Clean. Be a bit more bearish. Come on. So where was your entry? Right here. Literally as soon as this candlestick closed. It wasn't exactly at that point. It was a little bit lower. But yeah, my entry was like that. 18 seconds. Okay, I like this bearish candlestick. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Nice. Nice. 2 seconds. Okay, that wasn't a break of structure, but I like the strong bearishness out of that candlestick. Still no break of structure yet, though. Have to wait for these lows to get broken. Yeah, I'm thinking, chat, I might just close at London lows right here, which will give me like a 1-to-1. Just because we literally have news in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. We're so close to TP1. Keep going, keep going. Boom. Okay, chat. Okay, I've taken some partials. Oh my days. Oh my days, bro. I've taken some partials. Oh my days, chat. Oh my days, chat. I literally had my finger. I thought it was gonna reject. And I just gained like an extra $400 off that trade. Oh my days. Oh my days. How much have I closed so far? Bro, I've closed 1.5K. Oh my days, bro. What the hell? Oh my days. We're still floating quite a lot though. Oh my god. Can we hit the golden? Oh my days. Oh, I might just close. So we yeah. Oh. Okay, let's just wait for this candlestick to close. Let's just wait for this candlestick to close. Please don't just reject. Stay like that. Oh my days, chat. That is GG's, chat. That is GG's. I just wanted to hit this golden zone. I don't mind. Oh my days. Clean. Keep going, gold. Keep going. Okay, I'm going to take some more partials. Okay, that's calm. Give me 1 second. Bro, I had 1.29. Okay, cool. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I'm gonna be real. I do not want to lose money on this trade. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, chat. I'm not gonna lie, I was targeting London lows. Bro, that was a smashed TP, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I might just close once this candlestick closes. Let's see if we can keep going lower. Oh my days, bro. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh my god. Bro, oh my god. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. How much R am I up? I'm literally, bro. Oh. Bro, we could hit full TP. Chat, we could literally hit full TP right now. If this candlestick keeps tanking, we could hit full TP. Let's see how... I'm literally going to close after this candlestick, chat. I'm literally going to close after this candlestick. I barely have any positions. I've closed majority positions. I've closed majority of positions. Oh my god. Honestly, chat, we literally got, because I closed around here, like an extra 50 points. Literally extra 50 pips for free. Bro, how nice, how generous of gold. And we're in a risk-free trade right now. If we could just stay like this, I would literally close the day on 1.5K. Obviously after commissions and stuff. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Just close. I don't want it to reject too much. I just want it to linger around the golden zone of the fib. I don't even care if it hits full TP. I just have to close this trade before news. I don't want to risk any... I don't want it to just go back down because then I won't be able to get that. I'll just close out 1K. I want to close out 1.5. That would be so clean, bro. If we can close out 1.5, I'll be so happy. But I'm literally going to close after this trade. Let's go. Let's go. I'm loving... Bro, let's go. W's in the chat. Let's go. I appreciate the follow. Foxy WZ, I appreciate the follow. Sorry, I didn't even get to see your follow, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just linger around here, gold. Come on. Let me close at 1 point. We're literally at 1.6. 1.5. Bro. Oh, come on. Come on. Just please linger around. Don't reject right now. I'll be so grateful to close right there. I'll literally be so grateful to close right there. Okay, I'm literally going to close right now, chat. Give me 1 second because I want to secure the profits. GG's, chat. GG's. Okay, we closed right here, chat. We closed right here. I don't know why the candlestick hasn't changed. I think there's like a glitch on TradingView right now. We closed like around there. Almost a 1 to 2 R. I don't care, bro. We got it, bro. 1.5k for the day, bro. We got like an extra 10 pounds. Bro, GG's in the chat, man. I'm so happy, bro. And that was literally a sniper entry, chat. That was literally a sniper entry. I can't lie. This is really good live trading. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. That's so good, bro. Fat 1 minute fair value gap above. Bro, honestly, if the market decides to keep going, I honestly don't care. I just didn't want to trade during news. And you know what? Like, if you guys want to hold, you guys can hold. Is psychologically is my first trade. It's a Monday. I don't want to hold this trade. But I mean, I'm so happy I stuck with my bias, chat. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. By the way, chat, we're 1 follower away from 100. Can someone just follow for the W, bro? Can someone just follow me for the W at least so we can get 100 for this live stream? Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I had to lock in. I literally had to lock in for a sec. And I was like, wait, what? Like, I was meant to close partials at 1K. Bro, it jumped from like $500 or £500, sorry, to like 1.5, like within seconds, bro. Like, no joke, bro. That was like a crazy dump. GUTP hit, XAU TP hit as well. Huge W's, chat. Huge W's, man. That's so lit. I mean, I could have definitely held for longer, but I'm gonna be real. Psychologically wise, I don't want to hold it, man. I wasn't feeling the news that's coming out, and it's a Monday. But man, GG's, man. If you guys are holding, send me some screenshots on TikTok or Instagram, or like send me some sort of screenshots of you guys trading, man. I appreciate every single one of you that stayed on the live. By the way, chat, we're literally 1 follower away from 100 followers, chat. We're literally 1 follower away from 100 followers. I low-key felt like we should have held this trade, low-key. Like, would have been an easy, good 2K day today, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna lie. Like, tomorrow is gonna be a light day for me. I'm not gonna lie. Basically, 2R up. I'm so happy. 2R up for the day. That's so clean. I literally can't wait. Is it 2R? Like, basically 2R, 1.76. Basically 2R. That's good. That's good enough. I'm gonna journal this after the live stream, chat. How do you know it's a fair value gap? What do you mean? Like, are you talking about like these fair value gaps right here, chat? So do you guys want me to like quickly just break down the markets real quick to like explain to you why I sold? Okay, cool. So the reason why my original bias was a sell-off, and realistically, I only wanted to get London lows. This is just an extra bit of trade that I got. So when I was on the 1 hour time frame, and oh my days, man. Oh God, man, that's crazy. This tank is crazy. But anyways, I don't want to get distracted. But so yeah, we got Asian sweep in the London session, and then New York Open also swept London highs. Bro, I'm so sorry, bro. I'm getting distracted. But the way we're dropping right now, oh my days. Whoever's holding this trade right now is making bread. Oh my days. Anyways, so we get that sweep. So as soon as I get a sweep on the high time frame, I already know that we're going to go to the opposite direction. So I go on the 5 minute and I'm locating a break of structure, which we end up getting a break of structure right here. And so after that break of structure, I'm locating fair value gaps. And as soon as one of the fair value gaps gets respected, by the way, chat, this fair value gap got respected by 1 point, literally 1 point. If I kept my stop loss a little bit tighter, would have been really good RR. But I'm so happy with this trade, man. I'm so happy with this trade. This trade is literally a GG trade, man. And then after that, bro, the rest was history. As soon as I got bearish order flow out of the fair value gap, I literally just entered off the candlestick. And we had a little bit of drawdown, but price respected my entry so well. So well. And then literally within 10 minutes, bro, you know, it literally took me 5, 10, 15 minutes, bro. It took me 15 minutes to make a bag, basically. Bro, do you know how crazy that is? This is why I love trading, chat. This is literally why I love trading. I've just made people's monthly wages, like the average monthly wage, in literally 15 minutes, chat. Like, W's in the chat, man. W's in the chat, man. But yeah, then with regards to TP, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was being very humble, and I was only looking for London lows because I felt like we might hit London lows and then sweep up. I genuinely didn't know we're just gonna tank like that quick. I did not know we're gonna tank that quick. And then after that, the rest was history, chat. Literally after that, the rest was history. And I basically just, I literally just, what's it called? I just closed literally partials like right here because I was gonna take partials here and move my stop loss to break even. But I just, as soon as I took partials here, I was like, bro, I might just close after the candlestick. And that's exactly what I did. I followed my rules to the T. I know people in the chat were trying to confuse me and trying to like get me to like second guess myself. But I'm so happy that, you know, I just focused and just literally made sure that I just cancel out the noise basically. And it is tough, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is tough to trade live. There was a lot of pressure. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm actually happy that we first trade on the live, first trade of the month, first trade literally for you guys to literally use and make money of. If you guys traded this and you risked like 2% on the trade, you would have hit a good 4% trade today, which is almost passing a funded account, which is kind of cool. So literally chat, this has been a really, really good live stream. W's in the live stream, man. And we actually traded during our session. And we got to close the trade just before news hits. So that any of you guys that are trading prop firms, you don't lose the challenge. What a good trade, man. Don't we love trades like this? What a good trade, chat. That is so, I'm so blessed for this to be like this today. Damn, what a good trade. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up my charts. I'm gonna actually no, I'll keep that. I'm gonna journal chat after the live stream. We're gonna have a little day off. We get like a 15-minute break, which is gonna be lit. By the way, chat, if you haven't followed me already, please give me a follow, man. Come on. At least for the W. At least give me some follows for the W, chat. But I appreciate every single one of you that's been in this live, man. Let's see what the market does anyways. Let's see what market does on news. If it continues to tank, that'd be so cool. Let's see. I mean, we're right now we're sweeping these lows, which is I mean, ideal. It's literally ideal, but fair enough. Let's see. This is so clean though. What a trade. I was getting a bit shook because this was huge rejections. I just feel like this was definitely definitely, bro. What's my strategy called? I don't know. It's just something I just put concepts together. I'm gonna make a name for the strategy. If you guys want to call it something, let's call it something. But I don't know yet. I actually don't know what we're gonna call this strategy. I've been using the strategy for a minute, been sharing it with my community, sharing it with my students. But there is no name yet. Like I haven't really. I just say this is what I do. Like I want to make a name for it so we can actually solidify and actually make history with this strategy. This strategy is really good, man. This strategy is called common sense. I mean, a lot of traders were looking for buys. I was also almost second guessing myself. I'm not gonna lie. I was about to think. I was like, are we looking for buys? Are we really? But I'm happy I stuck to it. I'm happy that I stuck to my bias. But huge W's in the chat, man. Huge W's in the chat. I think now, looking at the 1 hour, it definitely looks like we're gonna sweep London lows. So I'm actually happy I kept that as my target. But let's see. We got 11 minutes left. We can hold on for 11 minutes. In the meantime, you guys can just drop me a little follow, man. In the meantime, you can drop me a little follow. I would appreciate it. We're literally one follow away from 100. I don't know why my live stream is behind, but we're literally one follow away from 100 right now. Let's go, man. That is so clean. I'm so happy you guys also profitalized off this trade and made some money. Let's see. If this closes above London, I'm gonna be laughing because a lot of people just got swept, that liquidity swept. Let's see though. We got 10 minutes left. Let's see what that 1 minute's saying. Oh, that 1 minute's, yeah, that 1 minute's definitely looking like buying. Looking like a buying opportunity. Sorry, I just want to check my MT5. Make sure I've closed all positions. Where is it going? This is like a good training session. Thank you. No worries, bro. This is a fantastic and very educational live. Bro, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. It wouldn't happen without you guys, man. And yes, we finally got 100 followers. Thank you. I don't even know how to say your name. Louis17, I think. I appreciate the follow, bro. We finally hit 100 followers, man. That's so lit. I need to update the follower goal. I don't know why that's one follower behind. Thank you for the followers, man. We finally hit 100 followers. Chat, by the way, we just gained like 10 new followers in this live stream. That's so lit, man. That's so lit. I can't lie. Let me just quickly journal this, chat, and then we're literally gonna head our way. But yeah, I appreciate every single one of you that actually stay on my live stream and see, you know, the trade could have went left, but at the end of the day, like I all I care about is, have I followed my rules? I genuinely do not care if the trade goes left. Obviously, my money is involved, and I genuinely do. I do want to make money, but out of last week, what a good trade. What a good trade. You guys know from last week, the way last week was playing at to this week, man, I can't lie. Like I was struggling. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was struggling because last week, we basically placed no trade. Last week we basically placed no trade. Too close. But it's lit, man. It's lit. It's lit. Let me just, sorry guys, I'm just quickly journaling. I don't want to miss out on this journal. Sorry guys, just give me 1 second. Let's have a look. Bro, I actually learned a lot. Bro, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it a lot. Sorry guys, I'm just literally trying to... There we go. What a nice trade though for the day. Whoo! That is GG's, man. That is GG's, man. By the way, chat, if you want to, you can, what's it called? If you guys use my code, you get, on Alpha Capital Group, you get literally, I think it's like 35% off right now, 30% off. Make sure you guys use my code for the prop firm challenges. Any prop firm challenge you guys want to use, you can easily use it. Just literally use my code. I'm gonna try get like a banner on the live stream. I'm gonna try get like a little banner for the live stream. I think that'll be lit, so you guys know. But what a trade, man. What a trade. That is good. I'm literally done for the day. I'm so chilled. After this live stream, we're literally about to release something that's so crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. Like, I'm so excited to like release this new thing that I've been working on. There's a little project that I've been working on that's gonna help you trade. But what I'm gonna do, chat, is I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly freshen up, eat some food. I'm a little bit hungry. We're gonna eat some food, chill, and I'm gonna be on live around 3 p.m. Give me like 3:10. I'll be live on TikTok, chat, okay? And then we'll do the announcement. But yeah, chat, I appreciate every single one of you that stayed on this live stream. And GG's, nice W's today. And you guys will see this on YouTube. So you guys can literally watch me rewatch this whole thing. It's going to be on YouTube. Just search up Moby Trades on YouTube or Moby Kureishi on YouTube and you should see it. But in a bit, chat, GG's, and I'll see you tomorrow.